Hello, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to turn your crochet when you've been working single crochets or any sort of stitch that is not a chain stitch. So to start, I like to pinch this yarn here with my thumb and my ring finger, and you're going to make one chain. So you're going to loop your hook behind the yarn till you get this nice little line here. You're gonna pull through the yarn that was on your hook, and then you're physically going to turn your yarn around. And when you're crocheting, you want to work from right to left. So now you can see you have this chain stitch right here, and this is your turning stitch, and it lets you change directions. You have your loop on your yarn, and this is the first single crochet of the row. And when you look, you should see that there are tiny little boxes almost. So when you look here, it makes a little box as a stitch, and when you poke through it, you can see that you get two loops on the top. So when we're crocheting into single crochets, you're just going to take your hook, and I like to hold this little loop on the hook with my thumb. You're going to go through this center of the little box of your single crochets, then you're gonna take your hook, go around the yarn and pull through two, then you're gonna wrap your hook around the yarn and then pull through two again, and you've just started your next crochet row. You're going to do the same in all of the single crochets of the row, including this last stitch here when you get to it. And then you're going to do the exact same process again of turning. You're going to chain, physically turn the yarn, and then crochet into the first single crochet space. And your work should look something like this. When you're doing these single crochets, they should hopefully be a little easier than doing your second row of crochet stitches. And if you have any trouble, I recommend keeping your yarn a little looser. That means your stitches will be a little looser and it'll be easier to put your hook through them. If you make your stitches too tight, it might be a little harder to put your crochet hook through, and it might be a little harder to pull your yarn through. So again, we're going to turn. You're going to wrap your hook around the string, make your chain stitch, physically turn the yarn, and then go through this first stitch here and continue going. And if you make any mistakes as you're going along, it's no big deal. Just give a little tug on this working yarn and your stitches will come right out. And a nice little tip is when you're ready to set your work down, if you want to take a little break, if you accidentally drop your ball of yarn, it can take some of these stitches out. So I like to use a stitch marker and just put it through this little loop here, close it. It doesn't have to be a stitch marker, it could be a safety pin, anything like that, just so that when you tug on the string, it prevents the string from going through your stitch. So it preserves your work as it is, and it keeps it safe if you drop your ball of yarn, if you want to take a break, anything like that. Thanks for watching.